Your garden is always talking to you. The secret is learning how to listen. I'm Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm, and today I'll show you how to use the six senses test to understand your soil, plants, and overall garden health. Let's start with sight. Look at your plants. Are the leaves green and vibrant? Are they showing yellowing, spotting, or curling? Healthy soil should also crumble easily in your hand and reveal roots and life. Hard clods or dust mean trouble. Now touch. Scoop up that handful of soil. Does it feel crumbly and soft, or does it compact into a lump or blow away like dust? Touch your leaves as well. Firm and turgid leaves mean a healthy hydration, while limp or brittle leaves are a sign of stress. Next is smell. While you have that soil, healthy soil has that fresh, earthy aroma we all love. The scent comes from living microbes. If your soil smells sour, stagnant, or rotten, that's a sign of poor drainage or compaction. Sound is often overlooked, but close your eyes and feel its power. A thriving garden is alive with bees, birds, and insect activity. Silence, especially during peak season, can mean low biodiversity or a pollinator problem. Then comes taste, the final verdict. Produce grown in a healthy soil is rich, crisp, and flavorful. If your harvest tastes bland or watery, that usually points to back to depleted soil. And finally, your sixth sense, intuition. With time, gardeners develop a feel for their space. You may notice when something just doesn't look right before the obvious signs appear. That's your instinct, and it's one of your best tools. The six senses test is simple but powerful. Engage your senses every week. The more you observe, the healthier and more resilient your garden will become.